Predators and Stars, Game 2 from Bridgestone Arena. Dallas pulled out a win in Game 1. The Preds looking to even up the series before heading to Big D for Games 3 and 4. And all Vandy towel waiver section tonight. Steph White, Jerry Stackhouse, Derek Mason, and AD Malcolm Turner. Scoreless after one. Second period, the Preds turn it over in their own zone. Tyler Seguin to Jamie Benn for the goal, and it's 1-0 Dallas. But just a couple of minutes later, Preds on the attack. Austin Watson working it behind the net. Great feed to Rocco Grimaldi. His first ever playoff goal, and we're tied at 1. Both teams struggled on the power play tonight, a combined 0 for 9. So we go to overtime, and in OT, Craig Smith will win it. Tally's right there. Preds win it 2-1 your final, as this series is now tied. Pecorine with 22 saves, Ben Bishop 40 stops. Game 3, as we said, Monday in Dallas. Steve Lehman now with more from Smashville.
The last thing the Predators see when they walk out of their locker room and onto the ice is their slogan for this year, Rise Up, painted on the door. And facing a possible 0-2 first-round series deficit against the Stars Saturday here at Bridgestone Arena, Rise Up is exactly what they did. Craig Smith scoring at the 5-minute mark of overtime to give the Preds a 2-1 win and even the series at a game apiece.
That was one of the biggest ones, most exciting. So it was great for our team tonight. It's a good win. I think everyone's
Craig's been here a long time. He's got a lot of 20-goal seasons under his belt and certainly capable of a big goal like that. It was nice to see him get on the board and make a dent in the series.
Smith wasn't the only Predator to provide a spark in Game 2. With Brian Boyle scratched due to illness, Rocco Grimaldi was inserted into the lineup, and the 5'6" forward came up big with his first ever postseason goal to tie it at 1.
For me to get that call, I knew that my team was going to need me tonight. They're going to need me to bring energy. I know that I got some juice left, so I know that they're going to need me tonight, and I just want to help them in any way that I can.
The victory helps the Predators avoid a disastrous 0-2 start to the series at home and gives them new life as they head to Dallas for Game 3.
You don't want to go into another team's building down 2 games, so we'll use that as some confidence and get some rest here tonight and tomorrow, and then get ramped up again down in Dallas and take care of business.
Asked what a sudden death goal like Smith's can mean for the Predators in this series, defenseman PK Subban said it's big, but not as big as Game 3 will be now. At Bridgestone Arena, Steve Lehman, News Channel 5 Sports.